Qari Saifullah Sahib is just putting in and contributing here in the Yarakhán city. I highly appreciate it. I will definitely say all of you to do clap for Sir Saifullah. The way he's teaching you, the way he's putting you on the right track. Only with the religious education, but along with that, this worldly learning, that is going to pay you for rest of your life, of course. Because communication skills always has got essential role in your life. Everywhere, wherever you may just make a move, you are going to create a distinction when you are good at conveying your message in the language which is considered to be one of the best languages ever that has been used in the world. It is being used as a weapon, lastly, as I told, that if you are communicating something in English, you are going to bring attention of others towards you. They may be forced to listen what you are saying, and they may be forced to obey or maybe work out on the plans that you are just giving them in their language. Not only in their language, as we know, our books, our syllabi, our education system, everywhere English is being encouraged. Of course, you are doing Hifz. Nothing is better than that. Along with Hifz, if you are good at your grip on English language, inshallah, it will be a great combination, and the life is going to be better and more smooth that you are leading right now. I'm greatly thankful to Qari Saifullah Sahib that he remembered me in his such blessed kind of gatherings, and he always gives me an opportunity to be here, to be the part of this beautiful crowd, and I all the way wish him best of luck for his dreams. They are coming true in the shape of these beautiful innocent faces, and that is going to contribute a lot in Rahim Yarakhán city, in the whole district, and the whole Punjab and whole Pakistan, and definitely in future these kids are going to become the mature boys and men in the future, and they are going to make this whole world realize that they have just got the foundation laid by Sir Saifullah Sahib. I congratulate him on this occasion that he has done a lot for these kids, and he is still to do a lot more for your betterment. Thank you very much for making me be here, and thank you very much for all of you for bearing my words. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.